Hi, I'm Ben with SoftLedger, and I'm here to give you a quick overview of our crypto asset features. This is the transaction screen within the crypto module, and everything to the left of here is the core accounting functionality. Crypto transactions are either deposits, withdrawals, transfers, or trades. Deposits and withdrawals are anything coming into or leaving the SoftLedger ecosystem. So a transfer to a wallet in SoftLedger from an external wallet would be considered a deposit. A transfer between two wallets within SoftLedger would be considered a transfer, and there would be no gain or loss on the transaction, except to the extent that there are fees. Lastly, trades are the exchange between one crypto asset and another. To illustrate how this works, let's walk through a withdrawal. Here we have a withdrawal of this amount of Bitcoin out of the Binance wallet at a market rate of $6,200 per coin. Here you see the layers of the cost basis used in this transaction. Each is specifically identified. And then lastly, we see what the journal entry resulting from this transaction is. So you can see this is a withdrawal of cash for this total market rate. And here's the cost basis coming off. So this is the sum of all those cost layers we just saw. And then there was a gain on the transaction of this amount. All of these journal entries flow through to the general ledger. And here we can see all these journal entries just like any other, and these can be used for either reporting purposes within SoftLedger or exported to another ERP. So SoftLedger can serve as your full accounting system or as an enterprise-grade subledger for your crypto assets.